Hey guys, today let's learn how to create a secret code in WhatsApp. So if you guys want to go ahead and set this secret code so that you could actually have a unique password to unlock your WhatsApp application, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to actually do is to firstly launch the WhatsApp application, and over here under the settings there will be a specific setting for us to actually have the option to lock our applications and also have that specific and unique secret code. So guys, in order for us to actually have this unique secret code that is actually available on the newest update of WhatsApp, well, we actually need to go ahead and proceed first with updating the WhatsApp applications to the latest version and making sure that we are using the latest version so that we are going to have the most updated features on the application. So go ahead and make sure guys that you have the latest version first of WhatsApp before proceeding. So once you've already made sure of those, you can actually now proceed with having this secret code, which is actually a very new feature to the WhatsApp application. As we all do know, WhatsApp has released a chat lock feature and people really did love that feature. But now we actually have this secret code wherein we could have a unique password different from what you use to unlock your device to give your locked chats an extra layer of privacy. So let's go ahead and try this out right now. But in order for us to actually have this, well, we actually need to go ahead and proceed first with actually trying to access the specific locked chats that we have. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and try to add a specific chat over on the locked chats tab. And let's see if I can actually do that with this one. Also going to use my Face ID in order for me to use. And once it is already done, we can actually now proceed with locking the chat once Face ID is already set up. Once that is done, we can actually now proceed as well with setting up our unique secret code for the chat lock so that we could actually unlock the chat using that unique secret code or password that we only know, and other than using our Face ID to do so. And it's that easy guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.